How to install 1 light Afro lacquered brass pendant. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Pass the fixture wires through the chosen tubes. Then screw tubes onto iron frame. Pass the fixture wires through the swivel joint and the canopy. Then screw the swivel joint snug onto tube. Unscrew nuts from iron frame. Align holes of glass shade with holes of iron frame. Screw nuts into holes to secure glass shade and iron frame. Install the bulb. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.